What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be finishing and fixing the BMW. So what I'm about to do right now is that pipe that we broke the other day, I got a new one, and original from BMW. So this is going to be a breather tube that runs from intake to valve cover. So this is a brand new one, with a little sensor in there. So let's pop the hood. Alright, and let me show you what it is. So this is the one. It's gonna get replaced. So this is the one that broke. I mean, it dried out really bad and plugs into here. So it goes all the way down. So let me get some tools and lights so we can finish this. Alright guys, so we have a light back here, and so we need to get this wire off from this end. Yeah, it's cracking. And we also have a little screw down here, little hex, that we need to take off, and then this pipe will come off. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get some tools so we can get in there. We really don't feel like removing this water coolant tank. So this is it. This is your... Alright guys, so here's the tube. I got the baby out. About that noise now. The noise is gone. Shred the tape so it's not getting, the wires are not getting exposed and hot. Just like this. We're gonna come down to the bottom. Get it all the way down here. Here. Alright guys, so here we go. We got a new tube. Comes from there, goes all the way up here, and plugs into here. My old one got really crusty right here at this bend. I kind of to go ahead and replace it. But it's not too hard to replace this tube. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, you kind of just unplug it right there, unplug the plug, and just run the hose up. Just make sure you take care of it as much as possible. You don't want to crack anything on your intake right here. So so the next thing is to get the oil change done, but not today. I don't have time today, but I'll go ahead and put a cover back on, and we have to add some air in the tires and kind of get that taken care of. Alright guys, so I got everything tucked in. I got this oil cooler lines bracket, I got that bolted on. Got a new breather tube. Everything else stuck back in. Just put these little clips on for these wires. And I'm about to put the cover back on. And we're all done with the well cover gasket. So this is the second part of the video because I broke the tube. It was really dry and it just cracked. So the way you get it off from here, from your well cover, you're just supposed to twist this. You squeeze and you twist, and that's how the tube just supposed to pop right out. In my old one, I was trying to just do the clips and pull it out, and everything just cracked. So that's the reason I had to get a new one. It cost me about $95 to overnight this guy, and it wasn't really that cheap. The tube itself, it's like $64 at FCP Euro, original BMW tube. So you're not, putting anything extra. But you can go different routes too as well if you're modifying your vehicle, and then you don't have to go this way. So, all right, let's put a cover back on, and hey, just the way it is. So there you go, guys. So the BMW is all done, the valve cover is all done. I'm gonna get it up to temperature, make sure there is no more leaks going through to the car. It shouldn't have that oil smell coming out. But for now, yeah, this is it for this video. And I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna put a new video down as soon as I get an oil change done to it, so you guys can see. I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, please hit the like button and comment down below. Give me your thoughts, and if you guys think I should do something else to the vehicle. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Maybe a little tune and do some exhaust stuff. And yeah, I don't want to go too much money into this one because we still have a lot of work on the Corvette we have to do. And yeah. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.